Isabel, and today I want to make some banana bread.
And
So I have my ingredients here. We've got plain flour, coconut oil, brown sugar, some apple cider vinegar, bicarb soda, baking powder, and vanilla bean extract, as well as our 4 bananas. So we're going to begin by peeling the 4 bananas into a big bowl, and afterwards we're going to place them in the compost bin because we're eco-friendly like that. And then after that we're going to mash the bananas. Yes, I'm using a potato squasher, or whatever you like to call it, and it looks very appetizing.
oh my god.
But anyways, we're going to use half a cup of coconut oil, some apple cider vinegar, about 2 teaspoons. This acts as like a binding agent for the ingredients, and not too much as well. Then we're going to use 3 tablespoons of water just to make it not so thick, and then vanilla bean extract to give it some flavor, about 1 teaspoon, and that should be enough. And then mix it all together until it's a nice thick consistency. As you can see, something like this would be something great to aim for. And now we're going to move on to the dry ingredients. So I've got 2 cups of all plain flour, all purpose flour. You can use whatever you want. And then we've got baking powder, about 1 teaspoon. And then 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Next we're going to use half a teaspoon of sea salt. But honestly, I'm just guessing here, so you can do whatever you like with the sea salt. And 3/4 cup of brown sugar or coconut sugar, and adjust to your liking. And then mix it all around. Now we're going to pour the dry ingredients with the wet ingredients and mix it all together. So when you're mixing it, you should try and aim to get rid of as many clumps as you can until you get a nice consistency, something like this. And before this, you're actually going to preheat the oven to about 220 degrees Celsius for about 10 minutes, and then cook it for about 45 minutes in the oven. And then you can use some coconut spray or any kind of oil spray, and cook it in the oven for 45 minutes, as I said before. Don't mind me as I wait. So some disclosure before we see these next clips. I thought that the first time that I made this recipe or tried it out, it would be not as flat and thicker, but it actually didn't turn out that bad. It was quite good. I was like making fun of it, as you can see, and the family approved, so it was all G. But this time around, when I made the banana bread, the edges stuck to the bread tin. I don't think I put enough oil on, and the innards just fell out when I tried, putting it down, and yeah. It still tasted good though. And don't let this discourage you, because it doesn't have to be innards falling out of the banana bread. And this recipe has no eggs. If you're egg allergy girl like me, or lactose intolerant, this recipe may be for you. And yeah. Okay, thanks for watching.